Hi everyone, it's Kat, and I wanted to share today my successes with propagating Crassula perforata. They're also known as string of buttons. When I first bought the plant, there were about 6 of these stems in the pot, and most of them were either sunburnt or severely dry and very scarred. So you can see some of the scars here on the bottom. So I decided to leave the 2 that looked fairly decent and they weren't as bendy as this when I first got them, and propagate the rest. So I propagated by leaf cuttings and also stem cuttings, and these were 3 that I cut off the rosette and left the rooted stem in the pot, and they grew branches. And whenever you do a stem cutting propagation, they usually grow 2 branches per stem. So they're doing beautifully. It took a long time to bud, and I would say this whole process took about 3 to 4 months. And these 2 are part of the propagation, and the one on the left was from one of the cut rosettes. I planted them like the one on the right, and it grew this much in those several months. So I'm very happy with that, and it's doing very well. This one was a successful leaf cutting. So I cut the leaf off the bottom of one of the cut rosettes and planted them sort of like this. These were not as successful, but it started budding, rooting, and now it looks like this. It's beautiful. And I will share what a bud of a leaf cutting looks like. You can tell on this one right here, these 2, there are buds from a leaf cutting. I removed the leaf and planted them here along with other propagation. So these are just some of my propagation projects. So I'll share more later. Hope you enjoyed this video.